Hello and welcome to the SJSU Writing Center. Today, we'll be talking about our Open Lab, which is our online drop-in service. We will be going over what Open Lab is and information regarding Open Lab, how to join Open Lab, our policies and procedures regarding Open Lab, and how Open Lab compares to tutoring appointments. Open Lab is a service that allows students to get quick online help through Zoom. Students will be able to meet with a writing tutor for 20 minutes and ask any quick writing questions they may have. These 20-minute sessions will be conducted on a first-come, first-served basis, so the earlier you join, the more likely you will be able to meet with a tutor. Open Labs will also be conducted Monday through Thursday, and you will be allowed 1 Open Lab per day and 4 per week. To join Open Lab, go to sjsu.edu/writing center, hover over the Tutoring Services tab, then click on Open Lab. The direct link to this page will also be listed in the description. Be sure to bookmark it for future purposes. From there, you will see additional information on our Open Lab, including our current hours. If you scroll down, you will see a blue box. Click this box and you will be directed to Zoom. From there, it will ask you if you want to open Zoom, and click Open. If you haven't done so already, it will ask you to log into your SJSU Zoom account. Then, you will be put in our Open Lab waiting room. Our Open Lab moderator will then assign you to a tutor depending on availability. If there are multiple students in the Open Lab waiting room, the Open Lab moderator will let you know what your spot is in the queue for the Open Lab. From there, you can decide whether you want to stay or leave. However, do note that once you leave the Zoom call, you will lose your spot in the queue. Once a tutor is available, the Open Lab moderator will assign you to a tutor. From there, a tutor will assist you in any quick writing questions or concerns you may have. When your meeting with the tutor has reached 20 minutes, the tutor will ask you to fill out our tutor evaluation form to help improve our service. Then, you may return to the main room if you have any additional questions about our services, or you may leave the Zoom call. We will stick to our policies and procedures in regards to preparedness, eligibility, and code of conduct. A link to our policies and procedures will also be in the description. We also will not offer follow-up emails to professors for sessions conducted during Open Lab. While Open Labs are 20 minutes long, our tutoring appointments are 45 minutes long. So, if you would like more in-depth writing assistance, we highly suggest signing up for our 45-minute tutoring appointments. Follow-up emails to professors are offered through our 45-minute appointments compared to our Open Labs. We offer in-person and online appointments. Our in-person appointments are held at our location on the 2nd floor of the Martin Luther King Jr. Library, while our online appointments are also held over Zoom. To sign up for our 45-minute appointments, you will need a WCOnline account. You can create your account at sjsu.mywconline.com. An in-depth tutorial on how to do so will also pop up at the top right. I hope this video was helpful in providing more information about our Open Lab service here at the SJSU Writing Center. If you have any questions about our services, feel free to call us at 408-924-2308, or visit us on the 2nd floor of the Martin Luther King Jr. Library and we would be happy to help. If you want to stay updated on our services, feel free to sign up for our mailing list. Also, follow us on all of our socials. We hope to see you here at the SJSU Writing Center.